Hey guys, it's Miss Jones, the librarian here at Agnew. I just wanted to share with you a couple reminders since I know it's been a while. I wanted to remind you how to access your digital library books on Sora, especially since we're doing the virtual distance learning, and also show you how you can put books on hold from our library here on campus that I can prepare for you and have those available for pickup if you would prefer to read a physical book. So to get to the library, you're going to get into your portal, log in just like you normally would, and then you'll see some different icons, and you're going to want to find the one that says Library, Find a Book. And then when you click on that, this is where you're going to find both our digital library and our library catalog for the books here on campus. So first, let's look at the digital library. So when you click on it from your ClassLink or your portal, it should automatically have you logged into your account. So from here, you can, of course, go up here and search for a book if there's something that you are interested in. Maybe you've heard people talk about it, so you can search. And then you want to click borrow if you're going to check out that book to read it. And so then you can read it there on your Chromebook, or you can also download the Sora app. It's S-O-R-A, and put that on your phone. And then you can also go through and you can read the book on your phone. So when you're finished reading a book, you can go into that on your account, and there's a place for you to click return, and that puts it back in the digital library, so it's available for someone else to read. And then you can go back and you can search for another book. We have some curated lists here available for you that you can also look through if you just want to browse for some books. Now you will notice some books with the headphones, of course, just a reminder, those are audio books. So they are going to read that with you. So you can scroll down a little bit and then you'll come to, this is our middle school specific list, the Texas Lone Star list. So you can get a head start on some of those if you want to start reading them now while you're at home. So there's quite a few books and lists that are available here for you. So the digital library is a great resource. Now, the other thing I want to remind you is you can also look at books in our physical library. So for you, when you click on it, it will look like this page in Destiny. So you should see either your initial, or if you uploaded a profile picture, you should see that here in the top right. That way you know you are logged in. So again, I can search by different topics or genres, or I can just kind of scroll and see what's popular right now. But let's say I really like to read books that are in the fantasy genre. So I can click on that. And then it's set up that you will be able to put a book on hold. So what that does is that sends a message to me that someone wants this book. And since you can't physically come to the library, what I can do is then go find that book for you, pull it. I will get it in a brown envelope for you. And then I'll let you know when that book is available, and you can come up to the school and pick it up. So let's say I like City of Ashes. That's one that I want to try. So right here, I'll click on hold, and that is all you have to do. So that will send an alert to me, so I know to pull that book for you and put it in your account. And then I will contact you and let you know when it's ready for you to come and pick up. So hopefully we can get some books into your hands to read also. So I'm going to go ahead and unhold that so that it's available. Oh, I may have to do that from the other end, but you can go through and favorite. If there are books you're interested in for reading later, you can click on those. And then over here are some more options if you want to filter your search. So two ways. Of course, you can do the digital library where you go in and you're going to read or listen to those books on your Chromebook or on your phone. Or you can get into Destiny and actually look at the physical books we have here in the library, put those on hold, and then I will contact you and let you know when it's ready for you to come up to the school and pick up those books. So I hope that's helpful. I miss you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys in person. So I hope you have a great day.